Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find more connectivity options. Then let's scroll and find Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks and Bluetooth. And here your device is again informing you what it will reset. So just tap on Reset Settings, confirm everything with your screen log. And here we've got the information that this operation cannot be undone. So be aware about that and be also patient because it might take several seconds. So just tap on OK to confirm and wait until you'll see this information, which means that we just successfully reset all Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile networks preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.